Printing photos using the Epson SureLab D1070 is very easy to do. There's no additional software or RIP required. You just need to make sure that your printer and computer are connected and that you already have the printer driver installed on your computer. The easiest way to output photos is by using the Windows Explorer. So on my desktop, I have a few wedding photos I'd like to print. Some of these are JPEGs, some of these are PNGs, and I can simply select one or all of them, right-click, and press print. From here, I'll select my printer, which is the SureLab D1070, the paper size, the quality level, the media type, and I could simply press print. But you want to make sure that all of the options in the printer driver align with what you have loaded on the printer. To do this, you go to Options, and then Printer Properties, and this brings up the D1070 driver. Like I mentioned, just make sure that these line up with what you actually have loaded on the printer. So for this example, we do have SureLab Photo Paper Luster 250 loaded. I want to print on this quality level. And I do want to print an 8x10 because right now I have 8-inch wide luster loaded onto the printer, and borderless sounds good. So I confirm this by pressing OK. The settings I chose there do align with what's pushed to this window here. I can press print, or I can increase the amount of copies I want to print. And that's all you have to do to output photos to the SureLab D1070.